Hey everyone! If you're trying to export your Excalidraw drawing as an SVG file and keep getting an export failed error, corrupted SVG files, blank exports, or downloads that never complete, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw SVG export problems in 2026. You should also check whether any imported SVG files within the drawing are corrupted or contain unsupported elements. Invalid SVG content can occasionally interfere with export operations. Another helpful step is testing the export on a smaller section of the drawing. Select a few elements and export only those to determine whether the issue is related to the overall project size. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Modern browser updates often improve SVG rendering, canvas processing, and export reliability. If the export continues to fail, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can affect file generation and download functions. You should also verify that your browser has permission to download files. Security settings or download restrictions may prevent SVG exports from completing successfully. And that's how to fix Excalidraw SVG export failed problems in 2026. In most cases, simplifying complex drawings, updating your browser, checking imported SVG content, and clearing cached data will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.